Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Google search history on any device. So first of all, open your preferred browser and then go to google.com. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then select Manage your Google account. Alternatively, you can directly go to myaccount.google.com in your browser, and once you're there, tap on Data and Privacy at the top. Here, you will see all the data Google collects about your account. Now, to focus specifically on search history, scroll down and tap on Web and App Activity. Then, scroll down again and select Manage all web and app activity. This page shows everything you've done across Google, Search, Maps, Gmail, YouTube, and more. Now, to filter it for search only, tap the filter button and then select Search and hit Apply. Then, to delete your search history, simply tap on Delete Results and confirm by tapping Delete. You can also delete individual searches one by one or set up auto delete for future history. And that's all. Your Google search history is now cleared. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.